Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the color of your bullet points inside Mailchimp. If you've ever designed an email campaign and felt frustrated that those default black bullet points don't match your style or brand colors, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make those little details pop and create a more professional, eye-catching look for your next Mailchimp email. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Mailchimp design. That means logging into your Mailchimp account and opening up the campaign or email template you're working on. You'll usually be in what Mailchimp calls the design or edit design mode. That's where you can see all your content blocks and make changes to your actual email. If you're not already there, take a moment to click into your design. This just makes everything a lot easier and you'll have full control over the look of your content. Now let's look for the bullet points you want to change. Maybe it's a simple list of features or a set of instructions you're sharing with your subscribers. With your design open, go ahead and select the bullet texts. For this, just click into the text box where you've typed your bulleted list. You can either highlight the specific lines with bullets, or if you want to be really precise, just place your cursor anywhere in the bullet point you want to adjust. In Mailchimp, simply highlighting the text makes sure that any style changes you make, like color, will only apply to the parts you select, instead of your whole message. If you're doing a long list, it might be helpful to do this one bullet at a time. But if you want all the bullets in a section to look the same, you can highlight all of them at once. Take your time with this. It's a small detail, but selecting just what you need ensures your design remains consistent and tidy. Alright, once your bullets are selected, look up at the top of the editing panel. You'll see various formatting options, fonts, sizes, alignment, and one that looks like a little A with a colored line underneath. That's your text color option. Go ahead and click on that. Mailchimp will pop up a palette where you can choose your new color. Here, where the magic happens. To make your bullets stand out, change the color to yellow or really whatever color fits your brand or theme. Just remember, when you change the text color, it also affects the bullet itself because, in Mailchimp, bullets take on the color of the text next to them, which is super handy. So make sure the color you pick has good contrast with your email background so people can read your list easily. If you have a white background, a bright yellow really grabs attention. At this point, take a moment to step back and preview your email. Sometimes, colors can look a little different on screen than you expect, so don't worry if you want to try a few shades of yellow or even experiment with other colors. The key here is to make sure your bullets not only look good, but also help your reader move through your content clearly. And just like that, you're done. Changing the bullet point color in Mailchimp only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference to the feel and professionalism of your email campaigns. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear how you're customizing your emails, so drop any questions or creative tips down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Mailchimp tips, tricks, and all things email marketing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.